Shoot them and laugh like Joker. High grade smoker, but shoot boy sober. 9 milli cobra.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. Oh, and don't forget to like and follow the page on Facebook. They're on Instagram too. Follow it.
Shoot them and laugh like Joker. High grade smoker, but shoot boy sober. 9 milli cobra.
So in this video, me have a special guest with me. She there right here. Me gonna make she introduce herself. But right now, Tori are going like say she shy. Tori are going like say she no want talking at the mic. Talk many people and hear your voice.
Hey, I'm Tori.
Anyway, people, that song there we just play a while ago is a new song from Governor entitled Joker. I'm not telling a lie, it have a vibes. And it give me the feeling of Diablo. Who no know who is Diablo? I saw Governor the name first, you know, when he match up some bad man song.
Bad with the 40 with the 90 my bowler. Have too much rifle for go frighten for soldier. Every man is sick like a fly to the bowler.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
So a few weeks ago, Lisa Hype gave us the impression that she was pregnant when she uploaded some photograph on the gram and her belly kinda look big. And matter of fact, even Vybz Kartel get tricked in it. Apparently, him get tricked because him did say, yo, him a the grandfather. But Lisa Hype then took it to her Instagram live where she said this.
I'm not pregnant. I was tricking you guys. Trick me did that trick. No joke. You can't take a joke. Look how much time them trick me. Trick me what they and all tell me.
Yo, me not tell a lie still. A lot of people have the impression say she did pregnant for true. A matter of fact, some people still think say she did kind of pregnant, but you know, she got that shit to a foreign what when she go. But Tori, what you have to say about that?
Well, people, Lisa claimed to say she that trick the media, but Lisa only that trick herself because me you know say Lisa can't pregnant and I drink liquor like a water and I smoke every day. So we did don't know say Lisa can't pregnant.
But even though we are speculate say Lisa not pregnant, she still a forward and I say she pregnant, you see me? And when me look under some of the comment them over Dear Dream and Pink Wall and them thing there, you know, the people must say Lisa go dash her the belly. You see me? So what you think about that? You feel like say that she go dash it with a show?
Me don't know if me believe that because if she pregnant in her first place, she could not drink. Me just hold on to that fact. She could not drink.
But hold on. You have a lot of people out there, careless mama, dirty mama them, where them not joke for smoke and drink all when them pregnant. So you don't feel like say Lisa one of them?
Well, that's true, you know, not for them to
that. So lad, Lisa one of them, can you say that's true? You feel say Lisa one of them?
It's possible because Lisa is just Lisa, so it's possible. Me nah hold that against her. It's possible man.
Anyway, we have to hold where she say, and she say everybody get tricked, Kartel get tricked and the whole world. So Lisa Hype seems to be not pregnant, or Lisa Hype seen fit that. You know what? Make we move on. So people, you know say them always I said Jamaica is not a real place, and definitely it's not. Remember, we have a Ghetto Michael Jackson.
Y'all just a faint. How them gonna stop?
We have Ghetto Goat.
A Ghetto Goat. No say nothing. Dash your mackerel, promote the mutton.
Now, welcome to you, Ghetto Dawg. Check him out.
Where you do bark like a dog or you walk like a dog? Which one of them? Bark like a dog or walk like a dog? You know, so me do the two of them, but me not do the walking one, is it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What, you have all different type of dog now. Also, what kind of dog you bark like now?
You know, say me a pit bull, me no want to go the mongrel side yet.
Okay, me hear the bark now.
Alright. Alright.
Yeah, me I see it right now, so walk like a dog.
Look for me now, Lava.
Yeah.
Stay so, turn on the thing. Me stay so,
Yeah.
you see what I'm saying, hard, and give them a back, them run off so.
No, me telling you say Jamaica now a real place because right now Ghetto Dawg and Ghetto Goat in our little altercation. Check it out.
Ghetto Dawg, you are now on the air. See Ghetto Goat, you eat the leaf from a piss pan, and then you have the mutton from a shit pan. You talk about your Ghetto Goat, your Ghetto Dawg. Let's go, Ghetto Dawg.
Oh! Me no name dog and no China this. You know say one goat and a the bad goat. Any boy run up, get them head burn up. You know say when I deal with not well it before them stick. Yo, Ghetto Dawg, you say if you play about you, just go and bill and go and chill. And me make you end up in the China restaurant with your teeth skin, well green and goat.
Yo, me no know why them social media personality they can't live together. Or probably it's just a stunt for them get popular, for them get famous. Me no know. Tori, what you think?
More likely it's a stunt because you can't just get up on a regular and have something against one ex ghetto goat for no possible reason.
A ghetto animal against an ex ghetto animal.
It just not add up.
Anyway, still people, tell me if you don't like the drama and them thing there. This photograph recently surfaced online and me get to understand say Kanye West is in Jamaica. I'm at a fucking know him up at Buju studio. I go and breath and thing. I don't know when the year find out, but we can remember last year. If it's not last year, it's the year before. Him come at Jamaica and keep him Sunday service, and it was a bag of controversy over that Sunday something. Because something whenever did for give away, end up give away, and then the government get involved and a bag of thing. But tell me what's your take of Kanye West being here?
Well, me no know where Kanye doing here right now. I hope him do him 2 weeks quarantine. And I just hope he stay to himself because I just don't believe in Kanye.
You know, so I'm glad you bring up that point because he must forward down on a plane, and I don't think he would have there at Jamaica for 2 weeks, and nobody no know say him not there at Jamaica for 2 weeks. Nobody no know say him not there at Jamaica and they on quarantine and them thing there. Them could hold along that. So is it that Kanye West just forward and go link Buju? I don't know. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Hold on, before I plug my Instagram in it, Tori, make the people them know your Instagram so them can go follow you.
Well, my Instagram is _IAMTOHRII._.
Yeah, and share YouTube as well. Me I go left her link them in the description and everything. So you can go on over there, go follow her and have a look and see how she actually look. Cause she going like say she afraid to talk up. I don't know why still. Anyway, it's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way and any other way, the wrong way. I'm gone.